The JAINNHER centerless grinding machine, JHC 18S, and 3-meter loading and unloading device. All JAINNHER S-Series centerless grinding machines have adapted the Japanese AC servo motor and is integrated with a unique axial design. The AC servo motor and spindle is driven directly by a timing belt to reduce vibration and noise. This model uses FC30 high-grade casting iron on the wheel dressing device and is precision ground and built. Hydraulic driving and stepless speed is good for even compensation. The regulating wheel can also be adjusted according to the different work properties to achieve finished products with real straightness and high surface quality. Table microfeed hand wheel. Regulating microfeed hand wheel. The remote control panel is for the operator to control the machine from the regulating wheel side. Machine main electrical control box is to control each device's starting and stopping. The AC servo motor provides control of speeds from 10 to 250 RPM with digital control to display the real speed. Roughening and fine grinding may be carried out at will. This is extremely convenient for centerless grinding operators. This machine adopts a 3-meter long bar loading-unloading device, which is suitable for grinding workpieces from 3 to 20 millimeters in diameter, a length of 2.5 meters to 3.5 meters through feed grinding. It can increase reliability and accuracy during the grinding process. The 3-meter long bar loading-unloading device includes a feeding stock frame, air pressure pushing device for feeding, a loading motor, unloading motor, unloading air pressure pushing device, manual and automatic switch controller, roller type of feeding, loading, unloading speed control, and unloading stock frame. This device also controls a horizontal and vertical direction adjusting hand wheel. JAINNHER's centerless grinding machine is convenient and easy to operate. A long bar workpiece placed on the feeding stock frame through the air pressure pushing device loads the workpiece on the roller feeding device. The roller feeding device carries the workpiece to the centerless grinding machine. and then through the feed grinding to the roller unloading device. After complete grinding, the workpiece will be pushed by the air pressure pushing device to the unloading stock frame, completing the grinding process. This 3-meter loading-unloading device can be used for automatic cycle grinding, and manual control grinding is easy to operate. This machine performs high-precision grinding, a fast grinding process with a loading-unloading device that will satisfy customers' needs for long shape grinding.